Tesla Model Y leading the charge. The Tesla Model Y is a popular electric car. It's a leader in the EV market. Many people are buying them. This makes understanding its maintenance important. The Model Y offers style and performance. It appeals to drivers who care about the environment. As more Model Ys hit the road, knowing their upkeep costs is vital. This includes tire replacement, a key aspect of car ownership. The crucial role of tires in Model Y performance. Tires are the only contact point between the car and the road. They are vital for safety and handling. Worn tires can lead to accidents. They reduce the effectiveness of braking and steering. The Model Y's weight and acceleration put unique demands on tires. Proper tires ensure optimal performance. They maximize range and efficiency, crucial for electric vehicles. Regular tire checks and timely replacements are essential for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Global tire replacement costs for the Model Y. Tire costs for the Model Y vary globally. Prices depend on brand, size, and location. Understanding these differences helps owners budget for maintenance.
In the United States, a set of 4 tires can cost between $600 and $1,500.
In the United Kingdom, expect to pay between £500 and £1,200 for a full set.
In Germany, prices range from €550 to €1,300 for a set of 4.
In Japan, costs vary from 70,000 to 170,000 yen for a full set.
And in Australia, a set can cost between 800 and 2,000 Australian dollars.
Section 4. Understanding regional price variations. Several factors contribute to these price differences. Currency exchange rates play a role. Taxes and import duties in each country impact costs. Labor rates for installation also vary. Furthermore, market demand and competition influence pricing. Availability of specific tire brands and models also play a part. Understanding these factors helps make sense of the global price differences. Section 5. The value of informed tire maintenance. Knowing the best practices and costs involved in tire replacement is essential. It helps you get the best value and performance from your vehicle. Regular tire maintenance is crucial for safety and performance. Checking tire pressure and tread depth is important. Rotation and alignment also extend tire life. Proactive maintenance saves money in the long run. It ensures optimal performance and safety on the road. Section 6. Conclusion. Keeping your Model Y rolling. The Tesla Model Y is a remarkable car. It represents a shift towards electric mobility. Understanding its maintenance, particularly tire replacement, is key to ownership. Costs vary globally due to several factors, including labor rates. For instance, labor rates in the US can range from $20 to $50 per tire. In Europe, rates might be higher, often between €30 and €70. Regular upkeep ensures a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Remember, proper tire care keeps your Model Y rolling smoothly for miles to come.